When I was in Vietnam at an ASEAN summit recently with Secretary Gates, and China was on everyone's lips, has caused a lot of consternation in the region because of its assertive stance in the South China Sea over these disputed islands. Secretary Gates said something there that he's reiterating now. In times of tensions like we've had in the last year, having a military-to-military relationship is really important to anchor the relationship in stormy seas, if you will. Right now, there is a lot of distrust and suspicion between the two militaries because they just don't know what each other is doing. There was a picture released of a new Chinese stealth fighter that apparently caught the Americans by surprise. They have a pretty large military buildup that's very opaque. It's not at all clear the degree to which that buildup is going, what weapons are being bought, with what strategy and doctrine in mind. Obviously, Taiwan is always a major concern when you talk about Chinese military buildups. So I think if you can get the military-to-military relationship back on an even keel, that should help the further diplomatic relationship because, as I said, in times of tension, it's good to know that both militaries have relationships. They can pick up a phone, call each other, say even though the politicians are disagreeing on X, Y, and Z, there's no reason for us to be suspicious of each other.